I'm Owen Pettiford. I work for Back Office Associates and I'm also an SAP mentor. I'm back from Sapphire 2018, where all the talk was about the intelligent enterprise and the role that S4HANA can play within that. One area that customers were struggling with was to understand how they build the business case. And the key to building the business case is understanding how S4HANA can be different from your existing solutions. So I'm going to spend some time talking about the areas where it can be different. And the first of these is user experience. So a lot of people focus on user experience, meaning the system looks nicer. And for sure, it does look nicer. But that's really only the tip of the iceberg as far as user experience is concerned. The real difference is, how is this going to change my day-to-day job? How is the system going to affect and make my life easier? And the key way that S4HANA is going to do that is it's going to start highlighting areas that you need to work on before you even need to think about them. So you'll be logging on, the system will be pushing you to areas within your roles and responsibilities where you need to take action and move things forward. And beyond that, it will also move to allowing you to talk to the system, so you don't even have to log onto the system in the first place. So there's a real revolution in user experience, which will make things easier, quicker and faster, which should form part of the business case. So places where back office can help is to take the UI beyond what comes as standard and build conversational chatbots that automate specific processes within your organisation to allow people to focus on the things that are important to them and let the system get on with the things it can do. But seeing is believing, and that's why we've created our service Day in the Life S4HANA, to allow both functional and technical users of the system to come in and really understand how S4HANA is going to change the way they work and free them up to spend time focused on their business rather than IT.